Hi everyone. So I am trying to marry the Givi Airflow to the VOGE 900, and I'm trying to make the measurements. It's not easy. Oh, by the way, in the shop they told me it will not fit, so I bought it and I will make it fit. So I put these copying papers here, because I wanted a horizontal and I wanted a, how you call it, a perpendicular, so 90-degree angle, and this is how I done it. And from here I could measure. Well, I'm just eyeballing it where I want this to fit. It's a little bit below the original bolt, and I mean a little bit above, sorry. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out the distance. That's the most difficult part. So I measured 20 centimeters more or less, and here a 20 millimeter hole is needed. So I hope this will work. Alright, so I managed to install the Givi Airflow, but I drilled the big holes behind these, the big ones, too close to each other. So I needed to drill them out a little bit more. So they should be 20 millimeters, and I drilled them to 22. And that's not ideal, but it's okay. And I don't have a solution for you how to measure correctly the distance on there easily. But luckily it's acrylic plexi or polycarbonate, or I don't know what, and it allows some flex. And now it sits there nicely. I think it's sturdy enough. So yeah, and stay tuned for the test drive review. On the pegs, out.